Look at all the rock in there. I needed an 11-year-old to help me out, for sure. I've worked up so much dirt already. I'm not gonna fill that hole back in because I'm taking down this hillside here. I'm trying to ease the slope. I have it in 4-wheel drive. I'm in low gear range and I'm impressed. I'm not at full throttle. I could have probably been at full throttle as I was pushing into some of the piles, but so far I'm extremely happy with this tractor. If you've run compact track loaders before, this doesn't have that pushing power, but with finesse and learning your equipment, you can do a lot with this machine. This is a game changer, everybody. This stump is, I'm having to dig it quite a bit. I'm gonna actually go and back up the hill and get around to a different side right now. So that's what I'm gonna start working on at this moment. This pile of dirt. I've cleaned up my spoils right here and really happy with that. I'm not gonna worry about this bit here because I'm gonna do some more work on this slope here eventually. It's hard to scoop dirt going downhill. Again, we'll revisit that some other time, but I just really want to get this stump pulled out. Wow, look at all that. Oh my gosh. Look at all the rock in there.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. Come on, buddy, and look at it real quick. Hop on up. I needed an 11-year-old to help me out, for sure. Go look on the other side, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at that stump.
Look at the hole.
Just grown into the rock layers.
Look at the hole. Oh
Oh,
my gosh. How are we going to fill it?
oh, we don't need to fill it. I'm going to dig this out. We wanted this material.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. We got the rock layers grown this way here. Come and stand by this real quick, buddy.
That's way bigger than me. What am I talking about?
Yeah, it's huge. That thing weighs so much.
500.
Like a cat. That stump took a couple hours to dig, 2 to 3 hours or so. I can officially say that the tractor will do some work. This is incredible, the amount of work I was able to get done. It's incredibly nice to have the backhoe to be able to wrestle around stumps like that. If I just had a front end loader only, this tractor would be probably 25% of the machine that I need it to be. I've always said that I needed something to dig with more than push with, but what is really nice is I have a front end loader to be able to do it all. And what a phenomenal do it all machine. Look at the size of this excavation. All for one stump. Some people would say that that's not a big tree. Yes, it's not a big tree compared to some of your trees, but this is incredible. Look how much dirt I moved in order to get that stump out. It was absolutely a necessity. It's just incredible. My wife is sitting on the tractor. You want to run it? No. Look at all these rocks. Man, I really wanted to pull out some big chunks, but what was happening is it was coming apart in sheets. And that's kind of unfortunate because I want the big boulders. But anyway, what the goal is here is I'm going to be continuing taking this out that way. I want all of this material for a few pads that I have planned. And I want this slope to be a little bit more gentle. I will likely be bringing in dirt from the back here to kind of ease this, but I'm not gonna put any dirt back for the time being. It's absolutely incredible what you can do with a compact tractor. I would say right here we have about 2 loads of material. So if I were to pay for hauling, we're talking about $600-700 in material here. So that is fantastic. I can make use of this for sure. It's not the best for fill, but it will absolutely work. It will pack in nicely. Our ground is very stable. Did you have fun, buddy?
Yes.
Dude, you are a pro, bud.
Thank you.
You did darn good.
I'm a pro, he says. Well.
Get it close to the radiator. Yep. Keep blowing. Can blow off the rest of the engine. Go to the other side and do the same thing. It almost looks like it, huh? Can I see that? Careful, when you slip, you could really bop yourself. Good job, buddy. See that? That one's not. All right, there we go. Whew. Good tip. We're at probably close to 10 hours. Let me see where we're at. Okay, what does the hour show? 10.5, 10 and a half hours. We're gonna hit that 50-hour service really quick. I wanna thank you because of your views, your comments, and your thumbs ups is the reason why we have this tractor. And I just want to say thank you to you, the viewer. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.